This is Tier 3, Lesson 2 on transformations. Graph the exponential function and find the characteristics. So the general form is this, we've talked about it before, with the asymptote at y equals k. Our asymptote in this one is going to be y equals 4. And I'm going to draw it right now. And then my transformations, I need to go right 1 first. Then this negative inside, remember, is a horizontal flip. The negative outside is a vertical flip. The 2 outside is a vertical stretch by 2. And I know it's vertical because it's outside. And then up 4. So remember, my parent function is 2 to the x, so I had 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, and originally my asymptote was right here. So I'm going to move my point right 1. Horizontal flip, I'm at positive 1, and I'm going to go to negative 1. Vertical flip, I'm positive 1 going to negative 1. Vertical stretch by 2, I'm at negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. And then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. From my second point, I go right 1. Horizontal flip, you see how I'm 2 away? I'm going to go 2 the other way to negative 2. Vertical flip, you see how I'm 2 away above? I'm going to go down to negative 2 below. Stretch by 2, I'm going to multiply that times 2 to get to negative 4. And then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my final point. And then my last original point, I'm going to go right 1. Horizontal flip, I'm 3 away, so I'm going to go 3 the other way to negative 3 in my x direction. Vertical flip, I'm at positive 4, so I'm going to go down to negative 4. Vertical stretch by 2, I'm going to multiply negative 4 times 2 and get me down to negative 8. Up 4 is going to take me to negative 8 plus 4 is going to take me to negative 4. And now I'm going to erase all my extra stuff. So there's my graph, and now I need to find the maximum and all that stuff. Well, you see that it goes up. We never have that little maximum like this. So there's going to be no maximum. And then same thing with the little valley, like the hills and valleys, I don't have any of those, so none for minimum. X-intercept is right here at negative 2, 0. Y-intercept is going to be hard to find, right? So I'm just going to estimate it at 0, 2.2. Domain, well, the graph goes all the way to the left, right? My end behavior, it keeps going to the left forever, and it keeps going to the right forever. So my domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. My range is going to be different because I have this asymptote. You see how it goes down forever? So negative infinity, and then it stops here at 4. It's never going to go past 4. So our range is from negative infinity until 4. Increasing, you see how it's increasing the entire time? It's always going up. So from negative infinity to positive infinity, it's increasing. And since it's always going up and never going down, there are none for intervals of decreasing. Positive, it's above the x-axis from negative 2 to positive infinity. And it's negative the other direction from negative infinity until negative 2. And the end behavior, as x approaches negative infinity, aka gets smaller and smaller and smaller, y gets smaller and smaller and smaller. As x approaches negative infinity, y approaches negative infinity as well. as x approaches positive infinity, so as x gets bigger and bigger and bigger, y actually gets closer and closer and closer to this asymptote of 4. So as x gets bigger, y gets closer to 4.